1970 Chevrolet Chevelle SS Tribute car. Frame off restored, just recently completed. Car just came in from Kentucky. Beautiful tuxedo setup with the white stripes, in which I'll show you when I close that hood. Beautiful 454 rebuilt motor, Edelbrock aluminum intake, Edelbrock valve covers, roller rockers, 4-barrel carb, headers, new chrome power steering setup. Chrome booster, chrome master cylinder with power steering setup. Nice aluminum radiator, no overheating issues, newer hoses. Nice new chrome bumpers, new grille, new lenses, new Riddler wheels, front power disc, as you can see, dual side sport mirrors, wipers. All trim is beautiful. Inner, outer door jambs are nice. Rear chrome is brand new with the SS pad in the back. All the lenses are new. Correct exhaust tips on the dual exhaust system. Gorgeous, beautiful white buckets, console, 4-speed Hurst with the SS gauge package, guys. Just a beautiful car all around. I want you guys to check this out. I'm going to fire it up. And prior of doing that, look at the reflection in this paint. Look at this thing. It's like a mirror finish. It is beautiful. I said beautiful. Yes. 12-bolt rear end with the F41 suspension. Let's check it out. Everything is brand new inside, guys. Mild cam. This thing is a beast. Woo! For those of you who need financing, it's not a problem, guys. You will need $6,500 down in total. With my loan packages, you can roll in your sales tax, you can roll in your delivery, and we can get this thing right to your driveway. So remember that. You can find our application at mgmclassiccars.com. For those of you who do not need financing, not a problem. We can also deliver this right to your driveway. So please shoot me a text message and I will send you an estimate for the delivery. I will need your zip code. So again, if you need delivery, text me, call me. I prefer text. Let me know. 70 Chevelle, guys. Send me a picture or whatever so I know what car you're referring to. Let's make sure it's still available, and I'll send you an estimate for delivery right to your driveway. So my phone number is 847-848-1850. You guys can text me your zip code, and I'll send you a quote. And again, for financing, you will need $6,500 down with good credit, guys. You know who you are. Good credit only. $6,500 down. You guys can roll in your sales tax and delivery cost right to your driveway. We can make those payments work for you. So go ahead and fill out that application at mgmclassiccars.com. Okay. There you go, guys. MGM Classic Cars. We own all of our vehicles. We have over 180 in stock in 2 showrooms here at 150 South Church Street in Addison, Illinois. You can check them all out at mgmclassiccars.com. My name is Thomas. Thanks for watching.